All right, hopefully you had some success on this exercise. So in this video, we're going to go over a very quick solution. I'm going to flip back over to my code editor. The first thing we want to do is make sure that our list scrolls vertically again. To get it to scroll vertically, all we have to do is remove that horizontal prop right there. Now that our list is scrolling horizontally, we really don't need this shows horizontal scroll indicator either anymore. So I can delete that as well. If I now save this, I should see my list scrolling vertically once again. Yep, looks good. All right, so now part 2, we need to go through and add in an age property to each of our different friend objects. So I'm going to find each of these different objects, and I'll add in age, and I'll do 20, and I'll just copy paste that on down once again. So 20, 20, 20. And I'm going to change the age for each one very quickly. I'll just go 21, 22, 23, 24, and so on. Okay, that looks good. So now that our friend objects have an age property, we can reference that inside of our render item function right here. At present, we are only accessing the name property off of each friend. So if we want to make sure we also print out the age, we can just add in an additional reference inside this text element to item.age. So I'll put inside of here, right after item.name, a dash like so, because remember that's what I showed on this mockup over here. And then I'll write out in plain text, age. And then to put a JavaScript variable inside of here of item.age, we'll make sure we put that inside of a set of curly braces. So item.age. And I'll zoom out for just a second so you can easily see that whole line. Okay, so that should be it. So I'll save this. Looks like my code formatter has kicked in and kind of reformatted that code. Totally equivalent to what we had before. It's just kind of condensed down so it doesn't span such a very long line. Okay, so now I can check out my application and I'll see, yep, I've got friend 1 with the age of 20, age 21, and so on. And I should have something very equivalent on Android as well. Yep, looks like I do. All right, so nice little exercise. Let's take a pause right here, and now we're going to move on to our next subject in the next video.